Christmas movies are always a favorite of the Christmas season. So grab some hot chocolate, curl up by the fire, and enjoy our newest Hallmark classic, Hometown Christmas.
It hasn't changed much, has it? My old hometown is so much different than my fast-paced city life. I'm so mad my boss made me take a break for the holidays.
Hey honey, will you go get a Christmas tree from the farm?
Ugh, fine. Of course there's no one here. Hello?
Hello, how may I... Wait, Claire?
Jack? I haven't seen you since high school.
I know, it's been so long.
What are you doing here?
I actually own this place. Never really left town, I guess. I heard you left to go to the city.
Yeah, it was just too ordinary and boring for me.
Oh, well, I see. Have you picked one yet?
Yeah, that one.
Alright, well, I'll wrap it and bring it to your car.
Mom, I have the Christmas tree. Why do you bother with all this Christmas stuff anyway?
Honey, I know you don't have any Christmas spirit anymore, but I like to decorate to remember your father. It was his favorite season, you know.
Yeah, I know. Ow, watch it!
Sorry. Any different than you remember?
No. Well, a few more lights here and there.
I have a question.
Ask away.
What happened to the Claire I know that loved Christmas?
I don't know. Just ever since my dad died, my heart just hasn't been in it.
I have an idea.
Where are you taking me?
We're here.
This is the lake we used to come to.
I know, I thought seeing some old memories would remind you of the magic of Christmas.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Hey, thanks for helping me find the true spirit of Christmas again.
Of course. You know, if you ever want to get coffee sometime.
Yeah, I might have to take you up on that offer. Is that a reindeer?
Yeah, I have to tell you something.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Wildcat TV. I'm your host, Whitney Willis.
And I'm Chloe Lavello, and we have a brand new show for you guys today.
Congrats to our Lady Cats. Last Friday, they beat South Cobb Eagles 58-39, and also last Saturday, they beat Kennesaw Mountain 37-33. Way to go, girls.
Friday night, our boys took a loss to South Cobb, but Saturday they won against Kennesaw Mountain. Let's take a look. We would like to say a thank you to all the Wheelers staff and students who helped all the families with Shop with the Wildcat. Thank you guys all so much.
Chef Tiara Aguillion is well known to her students and to the entire Willard community as a talented chef and an incredible teacher. We had the opportunity to film her sharing a holiday recipe with us. Let's check it out.
So the first thing we're going to do for this marshmallow recipe is going to be dissolving our gelatin. So this is our unflavored gelatin. This is the basic of what holds this together. So we're going to take these 3 packets. We're going to go ahead and put them in our pot. We're going to go ahead and make the simple syrup. And then this is where you can get creative and flavor your marshmallows. So today we're just going to do our basic vanilla flavor, but if I wanted to do chocolate, cinnamon, whatever, this is the time where I would add all that thing already. Okay. So the last step that I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on this top side because the bottom already has it, so that way this is all nice and set. I'm going to take a little sifter and then just sprinkle it on top. Let's see how it looks. Now what I'm going to do is take a silicone bowl. This is just a little cupcake holder, but you can do different shapes and sizes. And I'm going to fill this almost all the way full and just rotate it to cover the edges. And then I'm going to dump the excess out. We want it to be pretty thick so it doesn't break when we unmold it, but not so thick that when we put it in hot water or hot milk that it doesn't melt. All right, let's make this baby. We're gonna fill our chocolate cup with our cocoa mix. You wanna fill it about 3/4 of the way full, so pretty full. I'm gonna add a few of my marshmallows in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and seal this. So if you're at home, you can get a skillet and put it on your stove to help seal it. I'm gonna use a blowtorch because if I can use a blowtorch at work, then I'm gonna do it. I'm going to just melt the chocolate just a tiny bit to be able to have it stick to the top. I'm gonna take my melted top, I'm gonna put it right on top of my chocolate cup, gently press it down, and that's gonna seal it. If you wanna put it in the freezer for a few more minutes just so you know it's secure, you can do that as well. So this is the finished product, your nice little chocolate top hat here. I just put a marshmallow to make it look cute, but that's it. So you take this, you warm up some hot milk or some hot water, put that inside, the chocolate melts, and then the hot cocoa comes out, you stir it up, and you drink it up. Happy holidays, you guys.
So our first one is, while the holiday season represents the most magical time of the year, ancient Europe folklore warns of this horned beast who punishes naughty children at Christmas time. When a dysfunctional family squabbling causes this young child to lose his festive spirit, it unleashes the wrath of this fearsome demon.
Next.
Lays siege to the home, and yeah.
Is that Krampus?
Yes.
I know it. It's funny because I never watched it. I used to see it on TV. I never gave it a chance. Somebody watch it.
Next. That doesn't even sound like a Christmas movie. That sounds like a horror movie.
What?
Bro, wait,
what in
what?
the world?
Demon?
What?
Wait, hold on.
Demon?
You don't
And I
know
heard
this demon?
European.
Wait, okay, wait.
Grinch?
Yeah,
I don't
that's
know.
what I was.
Next one is, when Santa gets arrested for trespassing after crashing his sleigh, it's up to father-son team to spring him from jail and save Christmas.
What are these movies? Like,
It's not that old. But yeah, workaholic wants to make things up to his son and wife. He promises to get his son the hottest toy of the season, Turbo Man, even though it's Christmas Eve and the toy is cracked.
I know this one. It's with Arnold Schwarzenegger. I can't remember the movie name. Oh my gosh.
Not you looking it up. Are you looking it up?
No, don't look it up.
We're gonna play a song and finish the lyric.
Okay.
Whoever...
I don't know the song.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Jingle bells, jingle rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle. That's probably not
something
the right
like
word.
that. Hey, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the ways we go.
I don't know this one. I gave you my heart, and the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Are your ladies puppy?
Mommy kisses, kissing Santa Claus.
Not yet.
Don't want a lot for Christmas.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's just one thing I need. And I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know.
Yes, sir, Josh.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Oh, dude, come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. That was beautiful.
Let's go.
Well, this marks the end of our fall 2020 Wildcat TV season. We want to thank everyone who's tuned in. My name is Whitney Willis, and I hope everyone has a fantastic break.
Good luck on your finals and have a warm and happy holidays. I'm Chloe Lavello, and this will always be Wildcat TV.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
Justin Bieber's Under the Mistletoe.
Can you sing it for us?
With you, shawty with you.
What do you want for Christmas?
Probably like crest whitening strips.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Sing it for us.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Silent Night.
Probably You Are a Mean One, Mr. Grinch.
Sing it. Yes.
Nah.
I would like a makeup palette.
Mistletoe by Justin Bieber.
Can you sing it for us?
Under the mistletoe.
The one where Grandma got run over by a reindeer.
Okay, can you sing it for us?
Oh God. Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Blah, 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 blah.
What do you want for Christmas?
Blake. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in the winter wonderland. Gone away, here's the bluebird. Here to stay, here's a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in the winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's passing round. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man. But you can do the job if you're down. When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Though your nose get a little chilly, we'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in the winter